Are you looking for a property to buy and start building immediately with instant allocation in Ajah? Of course, with close proximity to good schools, medical care, beaches, local markets, etc. My name is Goodness Usman. I'm your Fab Lady Router for Niger Realty 24. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Meridian Boulevard. Meridian Boulevard is rightly located in the heart of Okun, Ajah. And the most beautiful thing about this location is the fact that it's inside a government scheme. So which means this estate is a government allocated land. And that's why it comes with a C of O. Yay! Yes, a C of O lands give you security on your investment. And like I said earlier, when you buy into this property with your full payment, you get instant allocation. Check out the layout of the estate. You see, you pick your plots and you're allocated physically, and then you can start building. So what do you need to be part of this investment? You have two options. You're either buying into the half plot, 300 square meter at 13.7 million naira only, or you're buying a 500 square meter at 21.7 million naira only with an initial deposit of 3.5 million naira. You can spread your payment for 6 months up to 12 months. You know what to do so that you can secure your plots right here? Just stop watching this video now and give me a call. Please note, these prices are promo prices. If you wait too long, the price might increase or it might be sold out because it's a choice location. I'm waiting for your call. Thank you.